Okay, first of all, in Riga Technical University, of course, we recognize the need for young specialists specializing in merit domains, merit-specific domains, which are AI, cybersecurity, and IoT. So definitely we recognize it. We use the research and the studies that Merit actually has carried out, and that allows us to map our study courses not only to other universities but also to those skills required by industry. And I think that is a major power of Merit project to map those skills, to validate whether our courses, whether our programs match those skills, and definitely make them future proof. Okay? So the main decisions made for developing the curricula of our study programs came from different sources. One source was our own study of industrial needs, and what we found out and recognized, and what we implemented in our study courses and programs, is not only lack of technical skills, of engineering skills, but also lack of abilities to apply those skills in companies, which led us to the decision to make an interdisciplinary program between disciplines of management and disciplines of engineering. And in our study programs, that is RTU's case, most of the students are experienced managers, and they're exposed through the study courses into engineering, and makes them better managers in bringing them for bringing innovations in their companies. So that is our approach. How the Merit helped? Again, it's about mapping of the skills, studies of the needed skills, and studies internally what are our capacities to deliver those skills. And the cooperation between Merit partners definitely allows us to fill the gaps of different competencies that we do not possess. Cybersecurity is among them. That is an easy question because artificial intelligence at its current development stage is the first technology, let's put it like a revolutionizing technology, which allows to make more efficient, not physical work, but mental work or intellectual work. And that is something that hasn't been available for previous decades or even centuries. So it means the major shift will be in organizations to make them more efficient, not only in decision making, but also for developing digital content, for developing new digital applications of artificial intelligence, embedded systems of artificial intelligence, and so on. So that's how I see. How our study program addresses those future sort of challenges, I would say. Again, it's through the interdisciplinary approach. So we're upskilling managers through providing them advanced digital skills and then engineering, exposing in engineering. That is through several means. One mean is different distantly available tools, like distant robotics lab, distant IoT labs, and also through different simulations available for students, like virtual desktops where they can develop AI-specific applications or doing some labs. So that's how we are complementing as partners each other through not only providing teaching capacities, but also providing those tools and instruments for students. So not one by one, but as a whole consortium.